After downloading the application file, navigate to your Downloads folder. Here, you'll find the Orb 1.0 setup file. Double-click on it to begin the installation process. The installer will collect the necessary data and configure the Orb software for you. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the Orb icon on your desktop. Simply double-click this icon to launch the Orb software. After launching the application, you'll need to enter your login credentials to access Orb. Here you'll notice the user icon. From here, you can either reset your password or request a temporary one using the forgot password. To reset your password, simply enter your username and a new password. The system will update it instantly. If you've forgotten your password, provide the email ID linked to your account. You'll receive a temporary password, which you can change later for security. At the top of the screen, you'll see various menu options. Let's start with the File menu, which allows you to manage all file-related actions. You to create a new file. Open to open an existing file of your choice. Save to save the current file. Save is to save the file with a specific name and location. Rename to change the name of the file. Close to close the current file. Next, we have the Edit menu, which is used to perform actions within the code area or file content. Undo to reverse the last action. Redo to restore the action that was undone. Cut to remove and copy the selected text. Copy to copy the selected text without removing it. Paste to insert the copied or cut content. Select all to select the entire content of the file. The next menu is View Session, which allows you to view all your astrophotography session data. When you click on View Session, a window will pop up displaying all your sessions, along with preview images and key details. On the right-hand side, you'll notice 3 tabs. The first one is Filter. This allows you to apply specific filters to quickly find the sessions you're looking for. When you click on the Filter tab, a dialog box appears, allowing you to enter specific parameters to filter out your sessions. After filling in the desired criteria, click on the Apply Filters button. This will display the sessions based on your selected filters. If you wish to remove the filters and view all sessions again, simply click on the Clear Filters button. This will reset all filter settings and display the complete list of your sessions. Click Previous to go back to the earlier page, or Next to move forward, and when you click on a session, a detailed dialog opens displaying all the information you've added for that session. This includes image, session overview, location and weather, target object, equipment, session details, alignment and guiding, file management, post-processing, observational notes, tags, and metadata. Each section provides a comprehensive view of your session, making it easy to review and manage your astrophotography data. In the top right corner of the session dialog, you'll see 3 tabs: Export, Edit, and Delete. When you click on Export, you'll be asked to choose the export type, either image or PDF, and specify the destination where the file should be saved. Once selected, click the Export button, and the session will be exported in your chosen format and saved to the specified location. After export, you'll find both the image and PDF saved with the same name as your session. This helps you easily identify and organize your exported files. You can also share these exported files directly with your community or groups, along with all the included parameters and values, making collaboration and discussion easier than ever. You'll notice that, by default, only 10 parameters with their values are displayed on the exported image. If you'd like to customize which parameters appear, you can do so through the Edit Preferences option. Clicking on Edit Preferences opens a dialog showing the complete list of available parameters. From here, you can select any 10 parameters of your choice to include in the export. Once you're done, simply click the Save button to apply your preferences. The second tab is Edit, which allows you to update your session data. When you click on Edit, a dialog opens with multiple tabs, each representing a section of your session. All fields are pre-filled with the data you previously entered, making it easy to review and make any necessary changes. Once you've made your updates, simply click the Edit button and the system will save your modified session data. The third tab is Delete. When you click on it, a confirmation dialog will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the session. If you confirm by clicking OK, the session will be permanently removed from the system. The next menu is Gear and Logs. This section allows you to add new astrophotography sessions along with all relevant parameters and values. When you click on Gear and Logs, a dialog opens containing multiple tabs, each dedicated to a specific section of your session. These tabs cover all the key parameters required for logging a complete astrophotography session. Simply fill in the details across each section, and once you're done, click the Save button. Your session will then be added to the system, and you'll be able to view it later under the View Session menu. The next menu is Alert. Here, you will receive the latest updates related to astronomy, astrophotography, astronomical events, space missions, and more. The alert system provides notifications for the next 3 days, helping you stay informed and prepared for upcoming activities and events in the field. At the top right corner, you'll find the standard window controls, minimize to reduce the application to the taskbar, restore to switch between full screen and windowed mode, close to exit the application. Press the minus key to gradually decrease the window size. Press the plus key to gradually increase the window size. Press the down arrow to set the orb window to half of the screen. Press the up arrow to switch to full screen mode. Additionally, you can reposition the orb window anywhere on the screen as per your preference. When you shrink the orb window, you'll notice that a menu icon appears at the start of the menu bar. This icon provides access to all the main menus and their respective menu items, ensuring full functionality even in a compact view. So, even when the window is minimized or resized, you can still navigate through every feature of the application seamlessly. To quickly exit the orb application, simply press Ctrl plus Q on your keyboard.